Hello students, today we will study about the specimen of cockroach. Students, you are very familiar with this organism and mostly we used to see this creature in night time. That is why we used to say it that it is an nocturnal animal and it is mostly found in the areas where there is wet, there is moisture and there is warmth. You can say gutters are the best places for cockroach. Students, we will discuss its properties stepwise. So first of all, you must note down the classification of this organism. Students, cockroach, it belongs to the kingdom Animalia. So its kingdom is Animalia. Phylum Arthropoda. Class Insecta. Order Orthopetra. Orthoptero. Orthoptera. Now genus Periplaneta and species Americana. So its name is Periplaneta americana. Students, if we see the creature, its body is divided into three main regions, that is head, thorax and abdomen. So we will discuss its shape. If you see its shape, then it is dorso-ventrally flattened. Body is flattened. It possesses bilateral symmetry. Its size is 2 to 4 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in width. If you see its color, it is reddish brown in color. Its body is covered by chitinous cuticle. And it possesses exoskeleton. Students, our body is endoskeleton, means in skeleton is from inner side, but its body has skeleton from outside. That's why we say that it possesses exoskeleton and it is impermeable to water. Now the head region, as I have told you that body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. So its head region, it is actually 6 segments are fused together forming its head region. Now head region possesses a pairs of antenna and a pair of compound eyes are there. Students, we possess simple eyes, but cockroach possess compound eyes. What is the difference between both of them? Simple eyes possess single lens, but in compound eyes they possess many lenses. So it possesses compound eyes. Now it possesses a set of biting and chewing lying sockets in front of the eyes. This is in the mouth region. Mouth parts, actually biting and chewing type of mouth parts of cockroach, it includes labium. Labium, you can say the upper lip of the mouth. Then epipharynx, it is a thin plate and it bears the organs of taste in the mouth region. Now mandibles. Mandibles are, these are two hard jaws bearing teeth for cutting and crushing food. And the last one is the labium. Labium, L-A-B-I-U-M, labium. It is the lower lip of the mouth. So these are the mouth parts. Now we come to the thorax region. Head, now thorax and abdominal region. Thorax region is divided into three segments. That is, you can say as prothorax, metathorax and mesothorax and metathorax. Prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. So thorax region is divided into three regions. Now we will discuss the leg region. If you see the legs, then there are three pairs of walking legs, one in each thorax segment. As you can see, the legs, three pairs of legs are there, and these legs, they are made up of 5 parts. These parts are coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia and tarsus. This is the different parts of the leg. Students, you can see wings are there. It has 2 pairs of wings, each in mesothorax and metathorax region. Now 4 wings, they are used to cover hind wings, and hind wings, they are used in flight. They help in flying. Now the abdominal region, it is dorso-ventrally flattened, and there it has 10 segments. And at last, anal cerci is there. In both sexes, 10th segment is broad and notched. This is the lower region, this is the 10th segment. It is broad and notched, and it is used in reproduction. So if you see the this abdominal region, then in case of male cockroach and female cockroach, this abdominal region, it is broad, it is narrow in case of males, and it is broader in case of females. So students, this is all about the specimen of cockroach. You have to write down all the steps and you have to draw all the diagram which is shown.